We are beginning with the floor above. It is a demo. It's not a full game. So, but I saw a lot of streamers play this, and it looked very fun. It looked very fun. So we are gonna jump in. We're gonna jump in, and it's gonna be lekker. It's gonna be lekker. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Where am I now? That's very loud. I am sorry for earphone users. Okay, okay. It started to go down again. Ah, okay. We are currently tied to a chair with a yes or no button. Hello? I can hear you.
Do you remember who you are? Probably not.
Listen,
let's get straight to the point. I know how you can get out. All you have to do is press the right buttons. Remember this. If the room looks abnormal, press the red one.
Oh, okay.
If it looks normal, press the green one.
Okay.
Got it?
I got it, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Hello, Phoebes. Hello. Okay. This is gonna be very nice. Okay. When you press the green button, you don't see any changes in the room. You saw a hallucination, but then it disappeared when the room looks normal. Ah, okay. Okay, that can work. That can work. This game's name is The Floor Above, for anybody who wants to know. Prog, thank you for the go popular. Kermora, thank you for the finger art. Okay. Powerpuff, it's my pleasure, it's my pleasure. Okay, let's go. The room looks different than usual. Oh, when you press the wrong... Okay. You saw a hallucination that does not disappear. The room might play with your imagination, and not everything you see is dangerous. Use right click to check the hallucinations. Some will disappear, the others will remain. Okay. This is gonna be very interesting. This is gonna be very interesting. Hello Maricel, hello, hello. PS Blast with the 1000 bits. W PS Plus in the chat. Thank you, PS Plus. I appreciate it very, very, very much. Thank you very much. Hey, Queenie. Thank you, PS Plus. W in the chat. Okay. To escape the room, you need to press the correct buttons 9 times in a row. The counter of correct answers is above the door. Good luck. Okay. Left shift to view buttons. Okay. Hey! PS Blast with the 10 gifted subs! PS Blast with the 10 gifted subs! W PS Blast in the chat! Hype Train Summer! W PS Plus, thank you for all the gifted subs, PS Plus, I appreciate it. Congratulations to everyone that got the subscription. Grobler, Selene, Blast, Melody, Rebirth, Jojo, Baby, Raven, Tombstone, and Cat. Very, very, very big congratulations on your gifted subscriptions. Thank you, PS Plus. I appreciate it very, very, very much. Dion, Black, thank you for the heart me and the go popular. Dion with the go pop with the heart me. Queenie with the heart me. Mr. September with the rose. Dreyer with the heart me. Nike with the heart me. And the go popular. Thank you guys. I appreciate it very much. Hello Nikki. Hello BS Plus. Again, big W. Thank you very much. Yes, I want to also. I saw there's a lot of English viewers that don't understand when I speak Afrikaans, and I'm all about fairness over here. So I want to start moving to English to incorporate everybody. Oh! PS Plus with the 5 gifted subscriptions. W PS Plus in the chat, please. PS Plus, congratulations to everybody that got a subscription from PS Plus. PS Plus W in the chat. He leveled up the hype train. WWW PS Plus. JP, Happy, Leon, Adrian, Dog. Congratulations with the gifted subs. Thank you, PS Plus. Velani, thank you for the Rosa. The Broers, thank you for the rose. Queenie, thank you for the popular. Guys, I appreciate it. There's so much things happening. I couldn't even begin with the game yet. I appreciate it very, very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Yo, thank you for the rose. Dion with your awesome. Thank you, Dion. Okay, guys. Now we can begin. Okay. I believe we have to look. Hello? Hello? Something moved. Yo, thank you for everything. I appreciate it. I heard a little crack. Hello? I don't like that thing in the corner. I'm gonna be completely honest with you. Hello, Lola. Phoebes, no problem, no problem. No problem. Thank you for the heart me, Lola. Yo, thank you for all the roses. Okay. Let us say this is safe. I think. Is it safe? Hey, okay. Okay, that's cool. That's okay, that's...
Whoa. Looks like the TV disappeared from the wall.
W Beersblast in the chat. Whoa! Wait! 25 subscriptions! Beersblast with the 25 subscriptions! Whoa, 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 whoa! Whoa! Massive bloody capitals! Big W's! Beersblast with the 25 gifted subs! Whoa! That's insane! That's insane! What even? What even? Whoa, whoa. There's so... Beersblast with the 25 gifted subscriptions. Congratulations to everybody. Very, very, very big thank you to Beersblast. Level 8 hype train. That man got us to level 8 hype train. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you very much, Beersblast. Yo, that's insane. That is mal. There's so much people. Congratulations on Chrissy, Big Man, Mrs. Inferno, Savage Girl, Jay, Doom, Ghost, Julia, Normal, Michael, Beste Sniper, my ma, Veronica, Mila, Tian, The Hippo, Giel Gees, Renko, Haar, Sam, Wendy. Baie geluk aan julle. Thank you, Beersblast. I appreciate it very much. Let's go. Dion with the finger out. Thank you, Dion. Beersblast, insane. Thank you very, very, very much. That's mal. Okay. That's mal.
Way too obvious. Let's make sure the room isn't trying to fool you. Look directly at where the TV used to be.
Okay, wait. The TV...
Close your eyes.
The TV was on the wall.
The TV is back when you open them.
The TV was on the wall.
The room is normal, and you should press the green button.
Thank you for the follow.
If not, press the red one.
Left mouse button to zoom in. Right mouse button to close. This is not gonna be good. I can sense it from a mile away. This is not gonna be good. This is gonna be crazy stuff. Yvonne, I think that's tomorrow night. Definitely. This is gonna... If that doll is gonna play games with me, I'm gonna cry. Tombstone, Beersblast gave you a gifted subscription. Hey, Bella. Raven, thank you for the heartbeat. Hello, guys. It does look like Annabelle. It really does look like Annabelle. Thank you for all the follows, guys. Hey, meow. Okay. I believe this room is safe. It was just the TV playing with us, I think. I believe. Hopefully. Okay. Let's say it's safe. Okay. Hey! Okay. I think I was right. I was correct! Okay.
If you're unsure about something around you, just close your eyes. It will give you answers.
I don't want to close my eyes for answers.
Don't keep them closed too long.
Do we close our eyes, yes or no? Do we close our eyes, yes or no? Whoa! Brother! 50 gifted subscriptions! WBS Plus, what even? 50 gifted subscriptions! That is most mal! Whoa! WBS Plus in the chat, please! That's crazy! I cannot even see all the names that got the subscription. It was BS Plus! What even? That's crazy. That's mal. The Afrikaans is coming out of this one. It's mal. What? Level 11 Hype Train BS Blast gave Blurry all of the followers on Twitch a subscription. Guys, if you was not followed on Twitch yet, you missed out. BS Blast basically just gave everybody a subscription. BS Blast! Guys, I think if you're in the stream, you got a subscription now. So, very congratulations, BS Plus, with the 50 gifted subscriptions. BS Plus, you can stop now! BS Plus! Whoa! BS Plus with another 25! BS Plus with another 25! That's mal! That's crazy! That's basically all the followers on Twitch. He gave another 25. BS Plus. Whoa, that's mal. That's mal. Nike, it's in my TikTok bio. Guys, my Twitch is in my TikTok bio. BS Plus is going crazy. I think everybody in the Twitch just got the subscription. What even? Oh, what do you do? A Twitch subscription means a lot of things. It means you can watch ad-free streams. You can use custom emojis. You have a little badge behind your name. There's a lot of stuff you can do with it. BS Plus. Yo, that's insane. Thank you very much. Yo. Thank you for the follows, guys. Yo. Jy's plat hier, laat die Jules. Okay. BS Plus, you gave the stream a massive kickstart. 101 gifted subscriptions for tonight. That's crazy. That's mal. Okay. I believe we can kickstart now. This game's name is The Floor Above. The Floor Above. Hello Raven, Jojo. Hey Sarel. Thank you for the follow. Okay. BS Plus, you gave an amazing kickstart. Thank you very much. Okay, guys. I believe we can close our eyes now. BS Plus, that's insane. That TV just went off and on. Ah, no. I don't want to be in this house. I'm gonna be completely honest with you. Thank you for the follows, guys. I want to say this room is haunted. Hey, Chanel. BS Plus is a champion. Hy's crazy. Hy's crazy. Baie dankie BS Plus. Yo. Verskriklik dankie. Hy's mal. That's crazy stuff. Is die Tokkolossies in this game? Probably. I don't know. Something is moving. Something is moving and I don't know what it is. Something is moving and I don't know what it is. Close our eyes one more time. I can... I think the room is clear because that thing says... You must only press the X when it tries to kill you. Okay. I think we're safe. Hey, so we're safe. Let's go. BS Plus. I'm still very overwhelmed.
Seems like everything's fine in this room.
We are safe.
Better double check. As long as you're in the chair, always double check.
Jules, I think I missed one of your messages. Baie maagprobleme. Ay, Jules, I'm sorry to hear that, bro. Hopefully, if you get to the hospital tomorrow, which I hope you don't, they will tell you it was just a poop. You must just poop. But hopefully it's nothing. Hopefully you're fine. I very hope it will be a quick recovery if it is something. Jules, thank you for the heart me. Roy, thank you for the heart me. I appreciate it. Mel, thank you all very, very much. Chanel with the rose, thank you guys. This room looks different, I'm not gonna lie. Why is the lights on? The TV is still going on and off. The TV is still going on and off. I don't like it! No, I don't! Bruh. Don't do this to me, I beg you. What's that? What's that noise? What's that noise? There's something happening and I don't see what's happening. It is a normally game, so I don't know if that chair was like that last time. And that chair as well. I must look out for these things. The chairs by the door. These chairs. I see it's rolled over, but it cannot harm me. Let's try again. Okay, yeah. I think we're safe. Stoel wat kraak. Yeah. I also think it's this thing. That's crazy. That's crazy stuff. I'm not gonna lie. I cannot deal with a doll that any guys for the people that's known me for a while now. I cannot deal with dolls or clowns. It is not lekker for me. I'm gonna be completely honest. I don't like it. Allura, we are playing the floor above. Kobus, what JBL headset are you using? I don't know. It's the first one that you get when you type in it on Takealot. It comes with this little mic that comes over here, so you can talk with them over here. It was 600 rand. Why are we talking English? Because a lot of my fan base is English, and they have asked me if I can start talking English because they don't understand when I talk Afrikaans. So I want to include everybody. Dropkick the doll. That sounds like a plan, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, I think we're safe. I believe this one is like safe again. Hopefully. You know me, I'm the best. I'm the best. I am the best. Mrs. R, no problem, no problem. Shame. The doll is gone, bruh. The doll is gone. GG chat, we're finished. We are dead. We are dead. The doll is gone. Annabelle is gone. It's yeah, no. Yeah, we're finished. This is not gonna be good. Chanel, thank you for all the roses. I appreciate it. Oh no. Oh no. Where is that doll? Where is that doll? Chat, I believe we are cooked left, right and center, up and down. I think we are safe. But I if I was this guy, I would have broken these things, these handcuffs there. I would have ran to that window right over there and I would have dove like Cheslin Colby when he runs for the rugby balls, bruh. I believe this room is safe. Let's just make sure quickly. Okay, yeah. This room is safe. Rihanna, thank you for the heart me. Nope, I'm leaving. Tombstone, I feel just like you. I'm not gonna lie. Who's next to dare to touch the Oom Kobus? Was that girl always there? Yeah, she was, I believe. I can smell you. do this. What was that? What was that, bro? No. No, bro. Chat, we are officially cooked. We were not making this. This is the doll. There's somebody in the closet. There was a little bald guy on all fours. No. No. You see, ne? This is not gonna end good. Timo Tokolossi. Okay. Okay. Divine, thank you for the crystal rose. Yo. Skierman, I'm very sorry to hear that, Choma. I am extremely sorry to hear that, Choma. Yo. I don't know what that thing was. Hello, guys. Thank you all for the follows. I appreciate every single one of you. We are also live on the purple app. It's in my TikTok bio. BSPlus, again, if you're still there, I'm still recovering from what happened. Makoko. No. Raven, thank you for the crystal rose. I appreciate it. Ghost, thank you. I appreciate it very much. Okay. Spooky, dis al verby, chom. Dit was gisteraand. That was last night. Okay, you know, nothing tried to kill me. But I believe that is trying to kill me. Whatever is inside of that closet. Granny? Granny? I don't know. That's the thing. There's something. Let's see. If we do this and this and this and this, okay, this room is haunted. This room is haunted because she doesn't go away. Please be right. Please be right. Please be right. Thank goodness. Oh no. Okay. Who's next?
Hey.
Who's next?
You know, we're all rooting for you here.
Oh, you're rooting for me. Then take me out of the chair.
Right, Jeff?
Jeff. Who's Jeff?
Jeffrey?
Jeffrey.
Yeah. Him too.
They're rooting for me, ne? But they keep me in the chair. Ethan, thank you, bro. Thank you for reminding me. I believe this room is safe. I think so, hopefully. Maybe. Let's quickly close the eyes. Just to make sure. I don't think that bag wasn't on the chair. Oh, Raven, thank you for the 4 crystal roses. I appreciate it. I honestly think that bag wasn't on the chair. But I think we're safe. Hey! Lady in the closet? I believe. Okay. Let's click off 1, 2. Okay, we are safe. We are safe to go. This game's name is The Floor Above, guys. The Floor Above. Double check. Tombstone, we double checked. We double checked and triple checked this thing.
Strange, isn't it?
What are you talking about?
Buttons, and yet, you might be doing more than most people ever did in their whole lives.
Yo, okay. I can't do this. I am not fitted for this button pressing job. I want to resign. What was that? Guy slid like a snake towards me. Nah, bro. No. 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 If I click resume and this thing is still chasing me, I'm gonna cry like a baby. I'm gonna be 100% honest with you right now. Like, right now. Geef my eerder papierwerk. Okay. Okay. I thought it disappeared, but when I pressed play, it was still there again. Okay. I think he's gone. Whoever that little slittery little snake was, hopefully you're gone and this room is safe. I will your tone. He wants to suck my toes. What? That's my sister. Turn around. I believe this is safe. Annabelle, you stay right where you are, please. I am not feeling like to dropkick a doll at the moment. Okay. Safe. Let's go. Let's go. Abdul, thank you for the heart me. Okay. I believe we are safe for now. But for now. Only for now. Auntie? Hello? Are you okay? Do you want to come inside? I can open the windows for... Oh wait, I can't. I'm stuck to a chair. I don't know who that was, ne? But she looks a bit mal. Phoebes, thank you for the clip. Arme auntie. Okay. I think it was a Tanny that was a bit... That one didn't feel safe. I believe we're safe. And we're safe! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Exile... I feel the same way. Hello? Hello? Heart! Not the time to judge me right now. I believe it cannot be two safe rooms next to each other. That doesn't feel right. That's not normal. It's more abnormal to get so much safe rooms than a not... We only got one not safe room, you know that, nee? Thank you for the follows, guys. Unknown, we are playing the floor above. It is quite interesting so far. Okay, yeah. This is definitely safe. This is definitely safe. Please be safe. Please be safe. Okay, you see, the next one is guaranteed to be something wrong.
Mike, if you will see the tall woman, don't upset her.
If you will see a tall woman...
Like when things don't go her way.
If you see the tall woman, don't upset her because she doesn't like when things don't go her way. It sounds like my sister. But my sister is short, so not exactly. I know she's in the stream. I know she's gonna send me a WhatsApp right now. Okay. Let's get all our sticks together. Let's get all our sticks together and let's try and survive this floor. Unknown, this is like a anomaly game. You have to watch out for things that can kill you. Auntie? Auntie? I know for a fact you're over here. I know for a fact that they won't give me so much safe rooms after one's time. Not above me, not below me. They won't give me so much safe rooms. Auntie, thank you for the roses. Mrs. R, thank you for the go popular. I know for 100% they won't give me 4 safe rooms after each other, but there's... What's that noise? What's happening? Okay, you know, ne? Hey, Philip. Okay. I think it's safe. Say, she wants you. She's gonna jump you now. Not if I have a say about it. Let's go. Up. Oh, thank you. I thought I... I thought I did something wrong. Auntie! Must I answer the call? Hello? Anybody there? Leon. That wasn't right, bro. That wasn't right. Mrs. R, thank you for the go pop. For the you're awesome. Okay. Unknown, bro. Why? Okay. Please don't jump me when I press resume. Please don't jump me when I press resume. Chat, please. Please don't jump me. Oh, you're giving me the phone. That's very nice. Thank you.
Hey, are you there? Are you okay? If you need help, just say something. Just give me a sign. Any sign. Give me a sign.
Mike, is it that hard to give a sign? I hope you rot in that damn chair.
Go on! I cannot do this, bro. I thought the chair wasn't gonna go up when it did that little wobbly thing. Oh, no. No. Pause. Right there, we pause. No. That was one ugly little looking demon, Tani. What's next? I don't expect you to scare me again. I know your tricks by now. I won't fall for it. You see? It's safe. We are as chill as what chill can. I am not gonna say one word. I'm not gonna say one more word. I am jinxing myself. Leify, thank you for 2 roses. Not chill anymore. Rest in peace, Quivers. Yay! Please don't tell me you're gonna do that thing where you come out of the ground slithering like a little snake, bruh. I will kick you right in your face. I think we're safe. I believe. Yeah. Let's go. We're safe. We got it.
You know, sometimes I feel sorry it's you. We could have been friends. Like Jeff. And me.
In loving memory of Kobus, he will be forever missed. Hoeveel vloere is daar? Bouwer, I have no idea. This is my first time playing this. We're on floor... How are we on floor 2? Annabelle, I'm gonna drop kick you if you move. I'm gonna drop... Something about this room feels a bit off. Something about this room feels off. I don't know why. I don't know how to put it. Something doesn't feel lekker. Okay. Somebody... okay, you see, maybe it was just me. I believe there was a head in the fireplace. Yeah, no. W stream, we are dead. We are out. we are not making this, eh? This ghost is goofy, brah. This ghost go like, this ghost, it's playing with my feelings. I don't like it. I don't like it when the ghosts play with my feelings. I'm telling you, Jojo, I saw it. I saw it. Nah. Santa Claus. No, thank you. Now I don't know if I can go or not. You know, ne? I believe so. Please be safe. Please be safe. Please be safe. Please be safe. It's safe. We got it. We got it. Allura, I hate the allergies. I hate
this
it.
strange feeling of deja vu. Then again, if you do everything,
Kitty!
probably
Oh,
wouldn't be surprised.
kitty! There's a kitty cat! There's a kitty cat! Please tell me this is gonna be a safe room. A kitty! Hello, kitty! It's not an anomaly. Hey! Is grandma nog steeds... She's still by the Mauritius. They won't give me so much safe rooms. But why is the cat over there? What is... The cat is looking over here.
Meow.
Oh, meow. Die 3 is jy vir 3 reg sover. Hey, Yvonne. Oh, is that what it is? Ah. Okay. I'm gonna... Does this count like a normally if the cat is there? Men in Black cat. No, I'm out before it gets you. Ah, the Men in Black cat. Gesig. Where's the face? Where's the face? Where is the face? What did you guys see that I'm not seeing? What are you guys seeing? What? Hello? 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 Don't say there's a face. Box? The box has a face. The box has a face. Where? What box? There's so much boxes over here. Why is there so much boxes? There's no need for so much boxes. Honestly, nee. Honestly, I think we're safe. There's nothing in the fireplace. The cat isn't trying to... There's nothing trying to kill us at the moment. Not safe. That's the thing. I don't know. They gotta follow. In die linkerkant. I am over here. That's the little child on the portrait. I know she's there. Unknown. Unknown. I know Granny is here. I saw her. Okay, yeah, it's safe. It's safe. It's safe to move on. It's safe to move on, hopefully. Let's see. It wasn't safe.
Floor now. I think so.
I'm on the 6th floor.
Oh.
I'm on the 6th floor. Okay. Okay. Oh no, Tony, listen to me now very carefully, ne? I know you're double jointed. I know your chiropractor probably loves you because you pay all his mortgages and his electricity because you have to go to him every single day. But please don't come and do this this stretchy thing by me. I am not in for this. I am not in for this. This is not right. I'm gonna be completely honest. Please don't jump me when I press resume. Okay, you know. We're out! We're out! I'm sorry! We're out! We are out! We are out! There's an exit. There's an exit. The exit is over here. That guy gave the most goofiest, stupidest, whatever that, even if that word exists. What kind of laugh is eh? Okay, wait, no. Let me try and replicate what that guy just did. Eh. Something like that. Sy lag. His laugh took to scare you away. That's exactly what happened. That's exactly what happened. Nikki, I'm telling you. Okay, okay. Angie, none of us are sleeping. We are playing the floor above right now. Rest in peace, Jojo. I don't know where this guy is. I don't know if he's coming back. Let's check every single thing. So it's something that moves. So we have to remember how the rooms look. And if something moves and we blink and it doesn't go away, then it means it's not safe. Hall, we are playing the floor above. We are we are 45 minutes in, but I believe there's still this is only the demo, by the way. This is only the demo. My chair never made that noise before. My chair never made that noise before. Never in its life. I Q20 this chair wheels. Nothing. Bosvark. I thought that sounds exactly like the character in the game. That sounds exactly like the character in the game. I thought the guy jumped from down below. W Bosvark in the chat. Thank you, Bosvark. I appreciate it very much, Chom. Thank you very, very, very much. Yo, my eyes are tearing, brah. My eyes are tearing up. Angelique, why are you judging me? why you judge me? Okay. That's insane. That is insane. Nah. Blakey! Why you tell me to play the game? Why you tell me to play? If I want to pause the game, I can pause the game. Okay. The doll is not moving. The doll is just sitting there. The doll is chill. I don't think there's something happening with the doll. Okay, yeah. Room is safe. Please be safe. Please. Oh, wait. The exit was the anomaly. The exit was the anomaly. The exit sign on the wall. That was the anomaly. So you have to be smart to play this. What's that? There's a radio. I can hear a radio somewhere. I don't know where, but I can hear it. The radio is on. Hey, Daniel. Okay. I believe. That means we're not safe. I'm starting to learn the basics now. Not safe. The radio is on. What's that noise? Oh, nah, bruh! Who's ever uncle escaped the asylum, come and get him. He's at 26 Pinewood Road. Please come get your uncle. Nikki, thank you for the heart, man. I appreciate it. Ari, thank you for the 1 rose. Abdul, thank you for the you're awesome. Come and get your uncle, please. We'll score jump scare. Heart, I'm gonna work on it. I'm definitely gonna put you guys, but I'm gonna put that at, let's say, 2,000. So you guys are gonna spar for it. PS Plus, welcome in. Thank you for the rose. I appreciate it. Thank you for the follows, guys. Thank you for the heart, PS Plus. Okay, let's go. That's not safe. That's not safe. That cannot be safe. It didn't go away when I... It didn't go away when I blinked. Honestly, it didn't go away when I blinked, so I'm gonna say dangerous. Bosvark, thank you for the heart me. I'm gonna say dangerous. The intercom is on. Somebody come get your mother, please. Somebody come. Somebody come get your mother, please. She found out how to use the... Go! There's a cat. Nah. No, thank you. Please don't ever show up again, Uncle Jeff. Please. Bosvark with the donut and the perfume and the rosa. Thank you, Bosvark. I appreciate it very much. Thank you. Yo. I changed... Whoa. Whoa, the things are moving. I changed my name. Maybe parties. Hey, Tonic, thank you. I appreciate it. Get Jeff. Oh, we are gonna see Uncle Jeff a lot. PS Plus with the roses. Thank you. The fire. Oh, it's the lady again. Okay, that means this room is safe because there's only one anomaly at... Oh no, there wasn't, because last time it was the cat and the guy in the roof. Okay. We are actually gonna think. It's Auntie Susan. Olivia, I'm trying. I'm sorry. I'm gonna cry. Ania. No man. W Bosvark in the chat. Congrats on the level up, Bosvark. No, bro. No. Thank you for the galaxy. I appreciate it very much, Bosvark. And the level up sparks. Thank you for the follows, guys. Angelique Hart. The location where I live, there is always gonna be... I cannot fix it. The location where I live, the Wi-Fi is so limited here. I cannot make it where my streams will never lag. There is always gonna be the dips, like the up and down dips. So it's never gonna be a smooth line. And it's a bit irritating, I'm not gonna lie. But I got it where the best I can. Like I got it where the best I possibly can. Bridget, thank you for the help me and I go popular. I appreciate it. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. Why are you speaking English? So basically a lot of my English viewers came in now, like all of a sudden. and they said they cannot understand when I speak Afrikaans. And I also I want to expand the streams as well. Black. If I want to talk, I want to talk. This isn't Netflix where you can pause and play and forward. We are talking to each other. Okay, Angelique, thank you for understanding. Okay, let's go. That TV is gonna make that same thing the whole time. I believe we're safe. Yeah. Yes. We must remember where every single thing is, like a box and a book and a chair. A lot of stuff. Okay. There's so much things to remember. Nah. Oh no. 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 W Nikki in the chat. Thank you, Nikki. Guys. W Nikki in the chat. Thank you, Nikki. I appreciate it very much. Guys, if you're new here, ne, I cannot do snakes. I cannot do spiders. Anything, any type of toy, ne, like a doll or something, like Chucky and Annabelle. Anything that goes alive like a doll, like a toy. I'm out. I'm out. And clowns. Thank you, Nikki. I appreciate it very much. Hey, thank you very much for the cowboy hat. Thank you very much, jou ma's 'n stukkie. Ek waardeer baie dankie. Okay. Let's hope the spiders is gone. Hopefully. One more check. Thorough check. Lowtex, if they make a Teletubby game. If they make a Teletubby game, then yes. I don't think that was that always there? The second painting. Nikki, thank you for the finger art. Okay. Yes. We're safe. We're safe. Hopefully. Hopefully we're safe. Let's try. Let's try. Oh, nah. Hello? Stop judging me. Phoebes! Phoebes! There's spiders everywhere. There's spiders everywhere. Why is there spiders everywhere? I know for a fact they're not... But that's one. That's one. He's there again. He's there again. Okay, not safe, not safe, not safe, not safe. I have blinked a lot of times. They don't go. They don't go. They don't go anywhere. I come for you. Dan now I'm gonna cry. Hey, okay, we're doing good. So far. What's that bag over in that chair? I cannot remember. What's that green thing on the table before? Oh no. This is a bit too quiet. Nikki with the level up sparks. Thank you, Nikki. I appreciate it. That thing wasn't there. That green poiky. Okay, anomaly. 100% anomaly. Not safe. Okay. Nikki hoeft to go popular. Bridget hoeft to go popular. Thank you, guys. Oh, okay. Hey!
If something feels wrong, then
Something feels wrong. I'm not gonna lie.
probably is.
Hi! If something feels wrong, guess what? It probably is. Man! Shut up, man. What are you talking about, Mr. Obvious? This guy, this guy. I don't like that guy. I don't like that guy. That thing is still on the table. Annabelle has a knife. Annabelle has a knife. Where did Annabelle get a knife? I'm gonna drop kick this doll. I'm gonna drop kick this doll, I'm telling you. It's always the dolls. It is always the dolls. It's always the dolls. Mrs. R, thank you for the love. It's always the dolls. Now we know. Now we know. Sorry for headphone users. Just turn the volume down for this bit. I'm sorry. I am sorry. Rest in peace to Quibus. Okay. Let's try. Let's try. Guys, I am also live on Twitch if you guys prefer the big, like the big screen look. We are live on Twitch. It's in my TikTok bio. If you guys want to go check out what's happening over there.
Let's get straight to the point. I know how you can get out. All you have to do is press the right buttons.
Leon, I did. I did.
If the room looks abnormal, press the red one. If it looks normal, press the green one.
I believe this is a normal. This is normal.
Begin.
That's normal. That's a normal room. That's a normal room. 100% normal. Okay, that was not a normal room. So the green poikie is on the table. I wonder what was the problem last time. The green thing was normal. Huh. You need to check every single thing in this room. Like if something is open or something fell. Thank you for the follow. If something fell or something is out of place, it's a red button straight. I don't think there's anything out of the ordinary. Yeah. This one is safe for now. Wait. Yeah, it's safe. It's safe. Oh, BS Blast with the travel with you. BS Blast, you went crazy on Twitch. Now you're going crazy on TikTok. Thank you, BS Blast. I appreciate it. W BS Blast in the chat. Thank you, BS Blast. Sê vir my, iemand het dit geklip. Hard, I don't think somebody did. But I have the clip like on TikTok. I have the recordings of all my lives. So I am gonna make that. BS Blast, thank you so much with the travel with you. I appreciate it very, very, very much. Joji, thank you for the heart me. Okay. Okay. That one was correct. I wanted to say there was nothing happening. That bag and the pot. That bag and the pot wasn't on the table. What's going on? Yo, BS Blast. Thank you very, 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 very much. This room is not safe. The pot and the bag is on the table. BS Blast, thank you. Yo. What is your YouTube name? Guys, my YouTube and my Twitch is in the TikTok bio. It's in my link tree. The Discord link doesn't work for some reason on TikTok. So if you guys want to join the Discord, go to my Twitch. You'll see the join Discord is in the about section. It works over there. The TikTok doesn't. It's like a safety thing for TikTok. So if you guys want to join the Discord, go to my Twitch and join it through Twitch. Mrs. R, thank you for the finger heart. I appreciate it. Lekker slaap, Rose. Good night, good night. Okay.
Some rooms, they're different. I hope you'll figure out
Chris! Thank you for the roses, Chris. I appreciate it.
in time.
I'm gonna say not safe. That's not regular. That is not regular. Chris, thank you for the roses. I appreciate it. That is not safe. The cat I know yeah, the cat is not safe. The cat is dangerous. The cat is constipated. Is that who I think? Bruh. Oh! Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? SpongeBob SquarePants! My leg! I love this room. I want to stay forever in this room. Oh wait, I got the PS Plus. You activate PS Plus activated the same sound effect. Thank you for the 50 bits, PS Plus. I appreciate it very much. I want to stay forever in this room, but I can't. Plankton, you absolute legend, bro. PS Plus.
Mike, you know what's strange? I don't remember how you got here. But what's even stranger, I don't remember how I got here.
Letters, thank you for the heart me. Nah. Oh nah. Listen to me. Let me tell you something. I don't think this room is safe because that pot and the bag is still there. It wasn't there in the beginning. So I'm gonna say not safe. Because that pot and bag is still there. PS Plus. Thank you for the 450 bits. W PS Plus. Thank you, PS Plus. I appreciate it. It wasn't safe. Thank you for the 70 bits, PS Plus. I appreciate it. Okay. The pots is still over there. The pots and bag is still on the table. It's still on the table. Grootste jumpscare. Is it still not safe? Letters, thank you for the ice cream. I appreciate it. What is happening? It's so hot over here, ne? It was there from the beginning. Yeah, no. It means it shouldn't be there. Because the table was clean in the beginning. The pot and pan was there in the beginning. This room is like there's nothing wrong with this room. Like nothing. There's nothing happening. I'm gonna say safe. Please be safe. Please be safe. Please be safe. Hey, Teresita, hoe gaan het? Hoe gaan het? Hey, okay. So the pots and... BS Blast with all the bits. Thank you, BS Blast. I appreciate it. Thank you, BS Blast. I appreciate all the bits. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bella, I'm telling you. Sy het 'n kop seer. Waar is my grandpa? What? BS Blast with the 50 gifted subscriptions, brother! This game now.
Back to the chair. We're not so different after all.
That doll said it wasn't like that. That doll said goodbye. Goodbye, my lover. Goodbye, my friend. It has been too long for me. Okay. Guys, I believe we have it. Thank you for the follow, Biervrouw. I believe we have this. What my dad? Ah! BS Blast. BS Blast. BS Blast. Thank you for the 70 bits. Okay. Okay. Auntie? We are not safe! Move!
Hey, did you hear that too? No.
Oh no.
That's why you're so calm.
No thank you. Jay, thank you for the follow. She's not going away. Okay. Yes, Blas. Thank you for the 70 bits. Dis jou biervrou. How do you... What? Yes, Blas. Why are you laughing at me? Skierman, so... Thank you for the 150 bits, BS Blas. So basically, you see when you tap on the screen, there's a little purple icon on the screen. That's all the sound effects you can send with bits. The TV. The TV is not right. What do you mean the TV is not right? Oh wait, the TV doesn't go on and off. I think that's why. Okay, I think that, yeah. Okay, yeah. Not safe. Fikey, I'm telling you. The TV must be like that. The TV... There, I lost all my progression. What's that? What's that? Hello, Auntie. How are you doing today? Hello?
You want to know what scared me the most in this place?
Kiki, listen to me, ne? Thank you, Phoebes. Welcome, Phoebes, friend. What a time to join. Nah, bro. I cannot do this. I cannot do this. We have to win this. We have to win this. Quagga, we are playing. The game's name is The Floor Above.
The eye is in the mirror. Soon, you'll see it too.
The eyes in the mirror. Hello, Tanny. Where are you? I believe that was it. PS Plus, we can try. The game's name is The Floor Above, guys. Ai, Rianne. Dankie vir die 70 bits. Ek waardeer, I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. Okay, I believe we're safe. Thank you, Rianne. I don't see anything out of the ordinary yet. Is there nothing wrong with this room? Like nothing at all? That TV wasn't... Oh no, but the TV went back to normal. Okay. So that's alright, I guess. Something isn't right. There's a sound effect playing. No, the TV is normal. The TV is normal. Fikey, I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Guys, the TV must go on and off. That's basically the thing about the TV. It does that. I think there's nothing on the table. The door looks fine, but that police sirens wasn't there. Let's wait for one more round. Let's see if the... I don't know. Is it safe? Is it safe? You guys saying it's safe? Okay. Let's see. It was not safe. I should have went with my gut feeling. I should have went with my gut feeling. This one. Let's see. Let's see. Where's the cat? I can hear the cat. Cat, kykie. Hoekom maak ek... Why do I go vir 'n kykie? Mr. Garfield, where are you? Hello? I need to find this cat. Where is the cat? It's on this side. Oh! It's on top of the dog. Okay, well, it's not safe. Chat, I'm gonna be honest with you, nee. I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I don't think we're gonna win this game. Uncle Jeffrey is going a bit crazy there in the corner. And I'm gonna say this is not safe. Just because of the cat, not about Uncle Jeffrey. Uncle Jeffrey is just there, you know. Hello? That's not normal. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
I will guide you to the exit.
And there I almost broke my chair. Fikey.
I'm doing this for the first time, but I believe we can make it.
The lightning is red. The lightning outside is red. It's not supposed to be red. Let's wait for another run. Let's wait for another run of Ah, I didn't see. Was it red or white? Lightning? There was lightning before the thunder. Ah! Thunder. Okay. It's not safe. It's not safe. Let's go. Let's go. Let us go.
Hey, where are you? I don't see you on the camera.
What camera?
Hey, Jeff. Why is it Mike in the chair?
I'm in the chair. I'm in the chair. I'm actively sitting in the chair. What do you mean? Bruh. Don't do this to me. I beg you. If this thing jumps out at me now, nah. Hello?
I'm so tired of watching. Please let me go back.
You staying right there, baby. You staying right there. Goodbye. I don't understand. That was clearly an anomaly, né? But they put me all the way back to 0. How does that make sense? He misses you. I don't miss him. I don't miss him. Not one bit. Not one bit at all. Nothing there, nothing there. TV looks alright. Ice, hoekom sal jy hom los? He got a little bit of a crazy look on him, if that makes sense. Okay, this is safe. This is safe. He was in your uniform. I saw he was in my uniform, but still. That doesn't make sense.
Sometimes you...
Go up! Go up! Go up! Go up! You know, nee. If they only let me loose, I would have fought. Never mind. They can keep me tied. They can keep me tied up in the chair. They can keep me tied up in this chair right here. Meow. I can hear the cat. The cat is back. The cat is back. Hey! Kitty! Hello, Mr. Kitty. So you're just gonna chill here by me now. You're just gonna chill here by me now. Okay. Well, that's basically automatic. Oh! That's just cute. That's just cute. You cannot even... You cannot deny that. You cannot deny that. You cannot even pet him. I know, Shanae, it's torture. It's torture. It's torture. How many of you in chat come from TikTok?
Are you scared? That's good. That means you're not one of them yet.
Nikki, do you okay, let me understand. Nikki, did you get the bits and you want to send it? Thank you for a follow. Thank you for a follow. I appreciate it. I just guys, I'm gonna continue now. I just quickly want to help somebody on Twitch over there. Ek maar dis okay. Okay, let's go. Let us hopefully hope for not something to happen. That TV mustn't play games with me now. Not now. Please. I'm so on my nerves. We are on the... It's always this room. It's always this room that I struggle on. Room number 4. Room number 4. I always struggle on room number 4. Huh. I don't think anything is wrong. Hopefully. Nikki, you must just tell me. Then I will help you if you need any help with something. I think it's safe. I want to say it's safe. There's nothing. There's nothing in the corners. There's not a cat. There's nothing on the roof. There's nothing here. Nothing over there. Thank you for a follow, Teddy Bear. Nothing below me. Nothing. You see, ne? You see, ne? That doesn't mean the room is haunted. I'm gonna say it's safe. I'm gonna say it's safe. I know. Not this again. That's very loud. Sorry to anybody using earphones. Okay, we got it correct. That's nogal sharp, I'm not gonna lie. We got it correct. Ek is Killer Switch van TikTok af. Hey, welkom Killer Switch. Hello. Okay. I think this was safe. Bala. I want to say this is safe. There's nothing in the boxes. There's nothing over there. Not a cat inside. The door looks fine. The spiders went away. So it's safe. Please be safe. Please be safe. Please be safe. Please be safe. Yes! Yes! Thank you, Killer Switch. I appreciate it. You are going to get me kicked out with my shouting. Hey! Derek met die pirate treasure! Arr! Hoe is my pen? W, Derek. Thank you, Derek. I appreciate it very much. Thank you. Xander, thank you for the 2 roses. The English is draining my vocabulary battery. Ryan, thank you for the heart me. I appreciate it. Thank you very much, Derek. I appreciate it. Okay. En ja, ek het geen idee nie.
In a way, it's mine too. every way.
Thank you for the follow.
I'm being honest.
Whoa. 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 Oh, no. It's doing that same thing in Skull Hotel. If you guys were in the stream when we played Skull Hotel, it's doing the exact same thing. When you get close to the end, it plays the music constantly. Constantly. The music plays. The music plays. I don't like it. I don't like it one bit. I don't like it one bit. Derek, thank you for the heart me. I appreciate it very, very, very much. Look below me, just to make sure, on top, in the corners of the room. The lightning is... Phoebes. Phoebes. Plankton. Plankton was the comfort. Plankton was the safe space. Plankton was the safe space. Art, thank you for the follow. Plankton was the safe space, I'm not gonna lie. We're gonna do one more check. We're gonna do one more check around. Blink, blink. Thank you for the follow. Blink. 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 Okay, it's safe. Please be safe. Please be safe. Please be safe. It was safe. Okay. 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 Guys, we are pretty far. We are at room number 7. The cat is back. The cat is back, but where's the cat? Where's the cat? Oh. Hello? I don't know. Okay. Well, that's a pretty... Goodbye, Mr. Kitty. I don't know. I don't want to know how many people were next to the mannequin on the shelf. Oh, I missed it. I missed it. I missed it. The doll on the table is not lekker. I'm gonna tell... Oh, no, 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 no. Guess what, guess what, guess what? I'm gonna let you guys enjoy this one. Am I out? I'm out! I'm out! I'm out! I did it! I won the game! I won the game! I did it. Oh wait, I'm walking now. Am I? I'm out of the chair. Now I just like it. I'm also a tall guy. Why is the game lagging so much now? I'm out of the chair. I hope you guys enjoyed the jump scare. This thing. I don't like that thing. The mirror. Oh wait, you can explore. You can walk all over the place now. Rar. You can walk all over the place now. Hey, I didn't even know there's a pizza box. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Now you need to walk. Drop kick the doll first. The kitty cat. The kitty cat. Hey. Wait, come back! Oh, so that's me. Okay. Why does he look so unimpressed of how he looks? Why does he look so scared of himself? I don't. I like to move it. I like to move it. I like to move it. Okay. Why am I still I'm still on the little chair thing? Wait. Am I the guy that was talking on the intercom? I was the guy that was talking on the intercom. I was talking to myself. And that's Jeff. I was talking to my dog because I was going crazy. That's a bit off.
Oh God. It's me.
And then the cycle begins again. And then the cycle begins. Oh wait, this was only the demo. This was only the demo. The full game is gonna have a lot of more stuff like that. And that. And that. Stuff we didn't even see yet. This was only the demo. Ooh, I'm excited for this game to come out. Oh yes, I'm excited for this game to come out. We're definitely gonna play this game when it comes out. We are definitely gonna play this game when it comes out. 100%. This was only the demo. This was insane. This was absolutely insane. Inge, thank you for the heart me. Let's quickly read what the game is about. Our team poured all our talent and a huge amount of effort into creating the floor above, and we all hope you enjoyed it. I absolutely loved it. I am not sponsored, but I love it. I love it. This is a non-sponsored verbal, so this doesn't influence what I'm about to say. This was amazing. I loved this concept. I loved it. In the full game, you can expect Mike's complete story. Will he escape the room? 145 plus anomalies, 5 different endings, shifting narrators, and Morty the cat. Morty the cat. New characters, not Morty and the other Mike. Uncover the mystery of the back room. Lots of lore details that connect to future games in the series. Hey, Phoebes! Thank you very much for the gifted sub. Thank you, Phoebes. I appreciate it very much. And big congratulations to Yana. Thank you, Phoebes. I appreciate it. Yeah, this game is definitely gonna be on my watch list. This game is definitely gonna be on my watch list. I love this game. This game was amazing.